northeastern Alexander County, Illinois, Ballard County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, until 9:15 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall estimates of over 2 inches have fallen in the past hour in northeastern Mississippi County. A portion of Highway 51 in Carroll was closed due to water over the road. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Additional rainfall amounts in excess of 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Mississippi, Missouri, and Alexander, Illinois, and Ballard, Kentucky.
All right, everybody. There it is. Let's see.
It's your 7-day local forecast. Late this afternoon, partly sunny with
Well,
a
I guess
50%
it's not going to
chance
come
of
over the
showers
TV.
and thunderstorms.
Mediacom had reset the channels, which I have all the names of the channels programmed in. I'm
Miles per hour.
fixing it now.
Tonight, cloudy.
There we go.
Showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
All right, everybody.
Lows in the
That's it.